Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola One 5G Ace. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, try to find the Firefox. Let's do it again. Now select it, click on install. After installation process is finished, you should be able to launch the app. Here you can customize the browser, so pick a different theme, choose your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on the Start Browsing and open any website. As you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.